Welcome back to 5 Minute English Talk. I'm Bruce.
And I'm Stacy. Before we dive in, let's remind you why the show is just 5 minutes. Language learning doesn't have to be stressful. Just a few minutes a day is enough to build your skills step by step. And when you stay consistent, those 5 minutes add up to real fluency.
And today, in just 5 minutes, we're going to explore some super common everyday expressions that you probably hear all the time. Wake up, get ready, head out, chill out, and call it a day.
Let's start with wake up. Easy, right? It means to stop sleeping. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. Wake up, you'll be late for school.
Next is get ready. This means to prepare yourself for something like school, work, or going out. I need 20 minutes to get ready in the morning. She's getting ready for her presentation.
Then we have head out. It's another way of saying leave. I'm gonna head out now. We headed out early to avoid traffic.
Now chill out. This means relax, calm down, or take it easy. After work, I just want to chill out at home. Hey, chill out. It's not a big deal.
And finally, call it a day. This means stop working or stop doing something for now. We've done enough. Let's call it a day. It's already late. Time to call it a day.
Let's practice together. Repeat after us. I wake up at 7. I get ready for work. I'm going to head out now. I just want to chill out. Let's call it a day.
Here's something fun. These phrases are idiomatic, which means they go beyond their literal meanings. For example, call it a day doesn't mean you're literally calling something. It means stopping. These idioms make your English sound more natural.
Don't worry about memorizing long grammar rules. Sometimes it's these short, natural expressions that make your English flow and help you sound like a native speaker.
Let's hear how it sounds in natural conversation. What time do you usually wake up, Bruce?
Around 6:30. Then I get ready and head out for work.
Nice. What do you do after work?
Mostly chill out with a good book or a movie. And when I'm too tired, I just call it a day.
Same here. That's life. See how natural it feels? You can use these words in your everyday English. All it takes is just a few minutes of practice each day.
Now it's your turn. Here's today's challenge. Make one sentence with each phrase. Wake up, get ready, head out, chill out, and call it a day. For example, I wake up early on weekdays. I get ready in 15 minutes. I usually head out around 8. On Sundays, I just chill out at home. After finishing my homework, I call it a day.
Every little routine in your day can be a chance to practice English. The more you link these expressions to your real life habits, the easier and faster they'll stick.
Exactly. And with that, let's call it a day.
Please don't forget to follow and rate our show. It really motivates us to keep going. Thank you so much for all your support.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and remember, those small daily steps add up to big progress. See you in the next episode.